Good day, ma'am. My name is James Burr, and my topic for today is diversity of the inmates or classification. Next. Objectives: to understand inmate classification and its importance in managing diverse prison population effectively. So, important yun nga ma-classify ang usa ka inmates kung kuan ba siya kanang nabi siya in medical needs or mga unsay na commit nga offense, if minor ba or major. Cognitive: to learn about the different types of categories of inmates based on behavior, risk, and needs. So namay mga categories like minimum security, medium security, maximum security, o kanang special needs. So ang minimum security kay kato ng mga inmates or mga prisoner nga kanang kanang walay non-violence sila ba o kanang good behavior. O sa medium security kay kanang mo na sila ang mga nasa mga violent behavior pero ma-manage ra. O sa maximum security kato ng mga high risk nga mga prisoner o nang nakakommit ng mga murder nga. Sa special needs kay kato ng mga idaran na medical condition. Affective: appreciate the role of fairness and safety in inmate managing. So dapat yun ilahi ang katong mga nakakommit og minor offense o sa mga katong mga nakakommit og major offense para mas effective ang kuan o para fair. So psychomotor: identify classification categories in sample inmate profiles. So kinahanglan gyud nga maibawa ng unsay profile sa inmates, yung age, gender, para og iya na commit nga crime para pero kung asa siya ibutang nga kung if sa minimum security ba siya or medium. Next. Introduction: this topic is a vital part of understanding how correctional institutions operate and how they ensure safety, fairness, and proper rehabilitation for those under their care. Every inmate comes from a unique background with different experiences, challenges, and needs. Recognizing this diversity is not just about categorizing people, but creating systems that can better serve justice, security, and human dignity. We will explore how categories used. We'll also look in the practical process of classification and the challenges that institutions face in managing such a diverse population. Next. So what is inmate diversity? So ang inmate diversity kay muna sa usa ka prison lahi-lahi gud ang mga inmate, like na bata na mga 19 years old nga lahi ang nakommit, like mga awat siya nasa mga 49 years old na woman nga lahi sila nakommit nga crime. So lahi ang mga tao. So why classification is important? So to ensure safety of both inmates and staff. So katong ingon niya na nga nakakommit og minor offense kay lahi og katong mga nakakommit og major offense kay para if mag rehabilitation classes la kay fair og mas safe. So classification categories may include by age, by gender, by race level, by crime types. How classification works? So work in classification, so pag interview, pag psychological test. Challenges in classification: so ang challenges sa classification kay overcrowding in specific facilities o kanang limited resources for special needs inmates. Next one. This presentation explores the diversity of inmates and how they are classified in correctional facilities. Inmates differ in terms of age, gender, background, mental and physical health, and type of a crime. Classification is essential of maintaining safety, ensuring fair treatment, supporting rehabilitation, and managing resources effectively. Inmate classification considers factors like risk level, crime type, and special needs using tools like interview and assessment. Despite its importance, challenges such as overcrowding and limited resources can impact the system effectiveness. Next one. Next. Thank you.